Sometimes I think life is just one big comedy show and we're all improvising. Like 1 minute you're promising to eat clean, the next you're negotiating with a pack of chin chin at midnight. Or when you swear you just check your phone for 2 minutes and 3 hours later you're watching a video of a goat learning how to skateboard. Hello and welcome to Chaotic Lifestyle Chronicles with Philipa Adura on Teptv, where we bring you relatable and unfiltered lifestyle moments we almost all do but don't talk about. Adulthood feels like a series of inside jokes no one prepared us for, but don't worry, I've got plenty to share. You ever notice how the fridge is like the ultimate disappointment machine? You open it, stare inside for good 30 seconds, close it and then come back 5 minutes later, like maybe jollof rice will magically appear. Spoiler, it never does. And the funniest part, you are not even hungry half the time. It's like your brain thinks the fridge is a slot machine. Pull the handle enough times and maybe, just maybe, a snack will drop, as if meat pie might be hiding behind the tomatoes. I think my biggest talent in life is hoarding chargers and cables that don't even fit my devices anymore. I have like a whole drawer of wires, some from phones I haven't seen since secondary school, but I keep them, just in case. In case of what? I don't even know. Maybe one day Nokia will make a comeback and thank me for my loyalty. And don't lie, you too have saved recipes online that you never actually cook. At this point, my Pinterest looks like I own a 5-star restaurant. Meanwhile, in real life, it's noodles with extra pepper again. Then, there is that annoying moment when you argue with someone and 5 hours later, your brain finally serves you the perfect comeback. Like, dang, I should have said that. But by then, the fight is over, peace has returned, and you are just standing there in the shower whispering, well actually, like you are debating ghosts. Oh, and let's not forget how you talk to yourself. Not just little pep talks, full-blown conversations like you're hosting a podcast or performing a live concert in your room. Honestly, you don't even need fans. You're already the interviewer, the guest, and the audience. Thank you very much. But the ultimate, unlocking your phone, standing there, staring and completely forgetting why you picked it up in the first place. Now you're just there with your calculator open, wondering, what was I calculating again? Meanwhile, you were going to set the alarm. Honestly, I don't know if these habits are chaos or comfort, but you know what? Maybe that's what makes life human. Perhaps the best part about life is that nobody actually has it figured out. We're all just winging it, laughing at ourselves and hoping no one notices we are confused half the time. And maybe that's what makes it fun. Order is boring, chaos is lifestyle. I'm just here to narrate it. If any of these resonated with you, this is your official invite to the Chaos Club. Registration fee is a like, a comment, and most importantly, a follow on all Teptv social media handles for more fun and entertainment.